Good evening, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. We just had a massive red-tailed hawk come through over the top of the cows, and he was looking for mice, something that the cows might have scuffed up. One of the things that we saw when we came into this paddock was the spider webs. The sun caught them just right, and there literally is a sea. It almost is like an ocean out here on the ground, and this video is not going to pick it up because I already tried. I can't see them with the naked eye. You know, it's on the video itself. But to give you an idea, the cows have been in this paddock since this morning, and the spiders are so active that all the webbing is still here. But here's a little tree. I don't know, can y'all pick that up? Probably not. Anyway, that's a honey locust tree, and it's just covered in spider webs. Absolutely covered. All right, there they go. This is the last piece on this side of the farm. And in the morning, they'll go on to that 5-acre piece over there. And then we'll be moving them back to the main part of the Judy farm, heading back south. So this is our second rotation in the dormant non-growing season, and the cattle are doing good. And it's December 2nd, and it's I think this is going to get 69 degrees today, which is it's warmer than normal for December in Missouri, but you know what, I'll take it. I'd rather have that than 20 below zero. It's a lot easier on the cattle. They don't eat as much. They're not cold. Their bodies aren't chewing up a lot of calories trying to stay warm. Golly, that'll grow so fast. She's got a good waddle to her. That's her calf right there. Got a really nice little calf. But yeah, we've just had a gorgeous day here, and I couldn't have picked a more pretty evening to come out and move animals. I mean, my goodness. There's Connor. He's moving the cafeteria style mineral. We like to move it right to the edge of where the last paddock was. Always move the mineral. Don't leave it more than one move anywhere, because it does draw manure and urine to it. And so use that. Use that to spread your fertilizer around your pastures. And never put your mineral next to your water. If that was your water tank right there, you'd want to put the mineral the far end of the paddock, not next to your water, because water draws manure to it. And if you put your mineral there too, you've got two magnets in the same spot drawing all the manure and urine to that area. All I can hear is just rip, 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 rip. If you walk real slow right down the middle of the cows, you can hear it. It's a beautiful sound. Somebody said last night you ought to make a CD of that and just put it for sale on the website for people to go to sleep. It's meditating. Look at that little calf. That calf is about 3 weeks old, and he's already grazing. He's eating what Mama's eating. If you look at their tongue, the tongue's coming out the side of the mouth. Cattle don't bite grass off. They rip it off with their tongue. Very, very efficient. Well, we made a lot of rams happy today. They were put in with the ewes. So we can expect to be having baby lambs the first week of May on green grass when it's warm. Not in February, March when it's freezing to death. Good way to lose your lamb crop. I love the docility of these animals. They truly do like to see us. They're not concerned with us at all. And that cow's, 2 foot from me. And we had a farm tour the other day. We had a whole group of people, and we walked through the herd, and shoot, cows didn't even lift their head up and look at them. They know that humans are not people that hurt them. We're here to give them their candy each day. So they're quite happy to see us. That's just a perfect heifer right there. I mean, she really is. She's got a calf right there, 1142. Beautiful little calf. And that heifer has really got some good weight condition on her for calving. She was a fall calving heifer. And she's keeping her weight on, plus suckling the calf. And she's doing it 100% on grass. So that's the key. Got it, get you together some animals that can do it 100% on grass, and you're going to be in pretty tall cotton. I mean, that's where the profit comes on any grazing farm, is from the grass. The animals are just a tool, but you got to have the right tool. You don't want an elephant for a tool. You want something that's got a big belly, shorter legs, and can easily convert this grass into a very valuable protein that you can feed to your family and friends and neighbors, and you can sell it, and you can make a living and stay on the land. And you're not dependent on the input people to stay in business, because you're not giving them all your money. You're keeping your money in your pocket where it belongs. Yep. Golly, I wish I just had a big old soft chair. I'd just set it down right after the middle of those cattle. It's a nice cold drink of water. I just sat here till dark. It's just so peaceful. How many of y'all hear a cow bawling? There's nothing bawling. There's nothing running around acting stupid. They've all got their heads down. I think with that, I'm going to go ahead and wind this dude up. And those of y'all that are new to the channel, if you would, on the way out, hit that subscribe button, and be watching in January, first part of January. I will be posting our May upcoming grazing school, and we're going to do something a little different this year, so be watching for that. and that will be posted on our website, greenpasturesfarm.net. So everyone have a good one out there, and we'll see you next time.